Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you how to connect MEXC to TradingView. So basically, if we go to the trading panel in TradingView, we can see that we have a list with different brokers. So if we click on the search button and search for MEXC, we can see that nothing is found. That's because it's not available directly into TradingView. But if we go to MEXC and then we go to look for a crypto, so let's say Bitcoin USD, we're gonna see that it's pretty similar to TradingView because they've implemented the same overlay and all the necessary tools for trading that you have on TradingView. So all you have to do is simply create an account on this trading platform, and then you'll have all the charts, all the tools that you need to start trading. Of course, here you will be able only to trade cryptos, but overall I think it's a great platform. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.